Alright YouTube, I'm hungry, and today we're going to talk about egg rings again. As we talk about those egg rings, we're going to make sausage, egg, and cheese English muffins. Alright? Why? Because they're delicious. Alright, before we can start talking about these egg rings, we got to put down some vegetables. Alright? I got to get these vegetables started just to cook off a little bit. My whole griddle, it's on low. Every single burner's on, but they're all on low. Alright? So I got some onions and some green peppers because you need to put that in my egg today. Alright? Onions and green peppers in the eggs today. Alright? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to push these off to the side because now they're going to cook over there just as well as they're going to cook anywhere else, all right? But now, let's talk about egg rings, all right? We got our Blackstone egg rings, all right? These guys are silicone, but they're hard silicone, all right? They don't move around too much. They have these nice little lids here, and guess what? These guys are dishwasher safe, all right? But there's a square one. That square one's going to be the weird one. All right. We got what I've always used, what most of us have always used, what you saw in my last video, just your old metal egg ring. All right. Metal circle egg ring. I don't like this one. This is the cheapest one Amazon had to offer. All right. The cheapest one Amazon had to offer to us today. It's flimsy. It shakes. So like if I wanted to take this egg ring and maybe use it as a punch for some ham or something, this one ain't gonna work, all right? And lastly, we probably got the cheapest one here. You know, I use these mason jars. That's where I got this from. This is a mason jar lid ring. And I use them down there to catch the grease from my smoker. So today, we're gonna use this as an egg ring. All right, and look here, this has a lip on it. See that lip? I'm gonna let that lip down. This one has a lip on it too, but you can't really turn this very easily, so I ain't gonna be able to turn that with egg in it. So that is what it is. So what am I gonna do here? The same thing I would always do with an egg ring. All right, I wanna spray it. I wanna try to get the whole thing too. You know what I mean? That lip over there is gonna be a little bit more difficult. That's all right. I wanna give a nice healthy spraying. This one too. All right. My vegetables. Vegetables are starting to cook down. Look, you see them crispening up down there. All right. We're going to take just some of these vegetables and we're going to just put them in our egg rings. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Not a lot. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You know, if you want more, then get more. I don't want more. You know, they're not the most popular thing in my house, is these eggs. You know, and the eggs, they don't like, I don't know. The kids don't like them. And over the years, I guess, not being able to cook them, I've turned into not liking them, all right? So I'm going to turn down this one. This is definitely going to be a cold side there, all right? Now we're going to add some egg to this. Look at that. We're going to do this one first, see what it looks like. Again, I'm cooking on low. Why do I cook on low? On one of my videos, someone asked, why do I cook on low? Well, if I cook on low, I have more time to screw up. All right? And I'm not the smartest cookie in the bunch here. So I'm going to screw up once or twice. And, well, that's okay, folks. You're allowed to screw up because you're in the backyard. None of this has got to be hard. All right? Look at this guy. Look at that guy. These are going to be fabulous. Look at that. This guy here square. He ain't going to be a sandwich. He's just going to end up on my plate because he's square. And I haven't made a square one before. All right. I'm going to take my little press, my little pressy press. I'm going to stick it back here in the back. These cook down a little bit. Let's get a better look at these. This is awesome. I like this one. I like this idea. You know, I like this idea because I think with the lip, with it being a metal ring, with the lip, I'm going to be able to take this. And it's sitting there like that with the lip on the bottom. I'm hoping I can just flip it and it falls out on its own. You know, we'll see. We'll see. You know, we're not in a rush. I like this one. These ones here, again, they come off Amazon. They're flimsy. They come in a package of 4. So I got 4 of them for like $9, I think. They're cheap. I'll put a link in the description. Maybe you like these. Maybe you don't, you know. I'm pretty sure these come with the Blackstone breakfast kit. And then I bought a whole bunch of extra ones. I mean, these have been around for years. Everyone knows what those are, right? And then these are recently bought. You get 4 of the circle ones. Again, these are dishwasher safe. 4 of the circle ones and 4 of the square ones, right? I'm thinking these square ones would be good for my pancake bread. You know, when I take them, I guess they're called griddles, right? So there you go. I like the square ones, but we're gonna see how they work. But now we got to do our sausage, son. And what I do is I keep this parchment paper, and this is a shiny side down type thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sausage. I make them into little balls. All right. And I'm just gonna line my griddle with it. I'm gonna turn that griddle up a little bit. Turn this one back on, I guess. This got to move over. That's movable. These little sausage balls, we can start sticking them in there. Have you guys ever made a smash burger? Well, we're gonna make some smashed sausages, son. Look at that there. All right, where'd it go? There it is. It's back there warming up. We're gonna take this again. Remember, you got a smooth side and a rough side. I put the smooth side down. All right. These are about 1/4 pound pieces of sausage. And I just take this guy and I'm going to push on him. And then I'm going to hold him for a second. All right. Just hold on to him. Rip him off. All right. Same thing back here. I'm going to push him down. I want to hold on to him. All right. I want to pull it off. Same thing. This has not got to be hard, folks. Not have to be hard. Try not to burn yourself with it. All right. If you burn yourself with it, it's not my fault. You watched the other video. The other video showed you how to do this if you burn yourself. All right. But there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. That's going to be greasy. Be careful with it or you will burn yourself. I'm going to put it in the magic garbage can over there. Where'd my specialist go? Oh. All right. I'm going to take some of these onions and green peppers because we don't waste things around here. Put them right there on top. Look at that. Look at this, boy. That's some good eating right there. Some good eating. Let that sit. That's going to get all nice and yummy. All nice and yummy. Look at these. These are ready to turn, I think. Look. Oh, that was too easy, Drill Sergeant. Look at this one. Oh, give me more. I like those ones. That one? Oh, I like that too. That's easy. These are really easy to go. That one was easy too. All right, this guy here, let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. You gotta remember, that's all metal. It's gonna be hotter than hell. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It worked. So I think if I had a pair of tongs, which I don't have out here right now, that'd have been a lot easier to get off of there. But it looked good. It looked real good. All right, as that egg cooks, I'm just gonna move it over because that egg is done. All right. There you go. We're gonna wait for these to finish up. And I'm not really putting a whole lot of pressure on them. I'm just sinking in my stuff, if you will, all right? So this burner's off now, and these here are on medium. And what I'm looking for is I wanna get that little edge right there. I wanna see it start to brown. Once it starts to brown, I'm gonna flip them. And like everything else, I'm gonna move them over to the side just a bit, all right? While we do that, we can add some cheese on this. Look at this cheddar cheese, son. Oh, cheddar cheese. Ooh, cheddar cheese. Ooh, cheddar cheese. Ooh, cheddar cheese. You wanna know what? That's not just gonna end up on my plate. It's gonna end up in my belly, son. You know, I'm gonna eat that, right, like that. All right, these guys here, we're still going. We got time. We ain't hurting. We got time. All right, so we're gonna push these back a little bit more. Get these out of the way. And now we gotta do something with our bread. A little OCD with the bread now. Whatever the bottom came from, it's gotta go back. Yes, sir. There we go. We're just gonna let it sit. Let it sit. We ain't heard nothing there. Look here. What we gonna do here? Let's see. That sausage looks good. That sausage look good too. Oh, that sausage look really yummy. That's right, boy. Let that sit over there. Get all nice and hot. We'll move this over here. Put in some sausage grease. It's a little warmer right there. So as you cook on your griddle, you're going to realize you got hots and colds no matter how you adjust your flame, right? Well, for me, I'm always hot right around the center, right? The edge is a little cold. Always in the center. Always in the center. And they kind of go like this through the center, right? But always in the middle, I know it's going to be hot. All right, we're going to flip these. They're starting to look, oh my goodness. Boy, let me tell you what. All right, this one here, Little Michael's. Gosh, I think this will be Little Samantha's. Yeah, this one's gonna be my wife's. You know this big bad boy is mine. Yes, sir. Look at that. I gotta look at these. They're cooking. They're cooking. We gotta give them some time. We're gonna move all this back over here on the cold side. They're ready to go, right? We don't need to cook them anymore. Guys, listen. You start cooking like this in your backyard, you're gonna save a ton of money. This is actually how I got started in the backyard, right? You figure you're gonna go to, I don't know, McDonald's or Burger King, whatever. This is $3, $4 sandwich, son. Here, shoot, I didn't pay that for anything. You know, I got a little startup cost. I had to pay for the grill, right? After the grill's paid for, well, this is like pennies on the dollar when you go to somewhere like McDonald's to eat. And you know, when you actually get real sausage on your food and stuff like that, you know, and real egg. I'm not saying McDonald's ain't real. I'm just saying it's processed. You know, but when you don't have to eat that processed food, and you have time to cook it, and you know what the ingredients are in your food, well, it's better for you, son. It's better for you. All right? Look at that cheese. You know? Oh my goodness. Just look at it. I don't know if you all can see that. Maybe you can see that. You'll be seeing it here in a second. Don't you worry, son. Look at that. All right, so let's do a little recap. Because we made some choices here, right? What were our choices? We had our Blackstone Egg Rings, right? We got the Blackstone Egg Rings, the square and the circle, right? The square and the circle. We got a thing off a mason jar, right? The old stainless steel. Actually, this one's not even stainless steel. This one's painted black. It's probably aluminum. Who knows, right? And then you got just this rubbery piece of junk, really, from Amazon. It worked, though. It worked. So there you go, guys. Let's see what we produced. Let's see what we produced here. It looks sloppy as hell, but look at that. That's gonna be yummy, son. Just look at it. Look. Oh my God. Here, let's see if this camera gets it better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, that's some good food. We got to eat. You guys have a good day. We out, son. Turn these off. I'm gonna clean this after I eat. All right, bye-bye.